If I told you that doing this one challenge can help you save a little more than $5,000, would you try it? I came across multiple individuals who have been using this challenge to save more than $5,000, and I enjoyed watching their result. So what is this challenge? The 100 envelope challenge. Coming up in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you exactly what the 100 envelope challenge is and showing you how to complete it. If you're interested, stay tuned.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Jasmine. This is Jasmine Plans. And in today's video, we're going to be starting the 100 envelope challenge. But first, if you are new here, thank you so much for coming. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Now for the 100 envelope challenge, it is a cash saving challenge that is designed to help you save money by picking an envelope. You could pick it at random, you could pick it in order, and you will be stuffing that envelope with cash that matches the denomination of the envelope. So for example, I can be wild and I can just pick out the number 62. And what I would do is I'll put $62 inside of this cash envelope. I'll put it back, of course, and I'll keep repeating that same process until all 100 envelopes are filled. You can go ahead and fill in this challenge daily, weekly, whatever frequency you decide to fill in this challenge. It's all up to you. It is self-paced. Some people do it for 100 days and just pick one envelope a day. Some people do it bi-weekly. Some people do it monthly or just whenever they have the extra cash around. If the challenge is done the traditional way by filling in the envelopes with the amount that is shown, then by the end of the challenge, you will have $5,050. Now, if that is too intimidating for you, there are modifications that you can do to this 100 envelope challenge. One of them being lessening the amount of envelopes you are filling. I have seen people also complete the 50 envelope challenge. In that challenge, you'll save a little bit over $1,200. But the point is building up the stamina and just seeing money grow just a little at a time. If you're not comfortable with having money just sitting in cash in an envelope, you can also do this digitally as well. It'll just take a little more discipline with making sure you are not moving that money online or it didn't disappear. To complete this challenge, you will need 100 envelopes. You can make them just like I did. These are matte vellum envelopes that I have made. I do have a video on my channel showing exactly the process of how I made each of these envelopes. It is time consuming, however, it is very rewarding. You can also buy these pre-made. Currently, I don't sell them pre-made. At the time, I do sell the tracker. Or you can just make them on your own. So another way that I have seen other creators create this 100 envelope is by going to some place like the Dollar Tree, buying a box of envelopes and labeling the envelopes from 1 to 100. So you are going to see me complete this challenge because I do have some money set off to the side. I'm so excited to finally start and begin this challenge. So for me, I have the wet erase pen that I purchased that I will be using to mark off the number that I am filling inside of my tracker. So I kind of had an idea of how I wanted to begin this. So first I wanted to make sure I completed the numbers 1 through 5. And then I figured, why not stuff a 10 or a 20 while I'm at it? Just because I'm excited with starting. So I'm going to start with, of course, number 1. And I'm just going to take $1, fold it right in half. And I'm going to stuff that right inside of the envelope. And then, of course, I'm going to mark that off in my tracker. This tracker is available on my Etsy shop. You can purchase this as a tangible item where I can ship it to you, or you can also purchased this to be a digital download. Being that I know I'm definitely filling in envelopes 1 through 5, I'm just going to go ahead and color them all in. So I went ahead and colored in 1 through 5. I'm just going to make sure that I stuff 1 through 5. This one needs $2. And these envelopes are pretty sturdy, and I won't be going into them, I don't think, at all. So I shouldn't have an issue with worrying about them falling apart or anything. So I went ahead and I stuffed the envelopes according to whichever number denomination that I already pulled. And I also went ahead and filled in my tracker. I am so excited to have began this challenge, and I can't wait till I fill in all 100 envelopes. If you're interested in seeing me continue to complete this challenge, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel down below and like this video if you're going to go ahead and begin this challenge as well. And that's it for today's video. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.